Hello guys, good morning from Portugal. Hola, buen día. Another day of fight. Mais dia de luta. Okay, so today I have three Ruby tickets. One Boas Festas means happy holidays in English. Vamos começar. Let's start. Let's start with this Boas Festas matching number in the main game. Here we're looking for Christmas tree. Here we're looking for a snowman. Let's go. Christmas tree. No, it's Maya. Snowman. No. Difficult to win in that area, guys. Okay, so we're looking for 43, 33, 34, 23. A lot of tres, guys. 43, 33, 34, 23. All the three in the world are here. And they give me, this is it. This one, they don't give me 13. 22, so this is 23. Almost. 35. 42, I need 3. 39. No. 34. Ay, it's a winner. 34. Woohoo, winner. 30. 16. 28. 36. No, 36. 44. 41. 25. 26 here. No. So I got one match. 34. Okay, no 36. No 35. There's 43, but no 43. Only one match. 34. I want to make sure it's not me. I don't have eyesight problem. Just my phone is dark. For 10 euro. Wow. It's double up on my money. 10 euro is a good win. The double up of my money. Not bad. Okay. So let's go to Ruby. Have ticket number 5 size set. 5, 6, and 7, guys. Okay, let's start with ticket number 5. Matching numbers. If we uncover the symbol Ruby 7, we win 7 times the price shown. Ganya set veces. If we uncover the symbol Ruby, this symbol, ganya todos os 15 premios. We win all prizes. And here we're looking for star. Let's go to bonus. Star. No. Star, right? Not tribu. So we're looking for 11, 21, 19, 45 in Portuguese número. 29, 16, 28, 34, 40, 30, 26, 44, 45, 22, 23, 15, nada, 38, 39, 43, 13. Not a winner. I'm using escudo, guys. For Portuguese money before, euro. 50 escudos. Portuguese. República Portuguesa. Okay, so Anyway, this is not a winner. 5. Let's go to 6. I hope I get at least one win. Ruby? Ruby? Estrella? No. 38, 24, 43, 29, 40, 19, 11, 33, 12. Very far from reality, guys. Besides, only 20s, 30s, and 40s. 41, 14, 42, 39, 30, 26, oh Lord, 44, 25, 18. No, Lord, 2 in a row. At that's winning 1 in 3. We're looking for 42, 45, 39, 28, 40. Oh Lord. 34, give me a 1 win. 18, 11, 38, 28, 14, 43, 29, 12, 31. Oh Lord. Come on, ticket. 30. ¡Ay! Winner, 42. Woohoo! Winner, 44. 16. 21. Found a win, 42. Let's hope we can find the Ruby. Ruby? Estrella. Come on, Estrella. No. 42. Maybe I miss numbers. Most of the times I miss numbers. Oh Lord. I was happy I found a win, but €5. Jesus. €5. 42, €5. And always donation, guys, of course. Always donation. And I found a 34, €10. So, €15. I spent 20, €5 donation to Portugal Lottery. Okay, so not bad, guys. It's better than nothing. 5 Duas raspadinhas now. Teniam premios. Okay. 2 tickets are losers. Maybe I miss numbers, but hopefully I miss numbers, but I think I don't. Okay. 5, 6, 7. Okay. Bye. Have a nice day. Ciao. Thank you for watching. Obrigado a todos. Ciao.